Vincenzo Campi was born circa 1530 to 1535, died 1591. He was a 16th-century Italian painter working in Cremona during the late Renaissance. Campi is best known as one of the first northern Italian artists to work in the Flemish style of realist genre painting. It is suggested that it was through the loss of the stylistic guidance of his brother, and the influence of Pordenone's raw and expressive frescoes, that Vincenzo began to merge the styles of Cremonese Mannerism and Lombard naturalism in his painting. Although it is not what he is best known for, Vincenzo and his brothers were most active as painters of religious subjects. Campi is best known for his significant contribution to the birth of northern Italian genre painting. The style appeared quite suddenly between 1580 and 1585 in Cremona and Bologna, and its development was heavily influenced by similar genre paintings by Flemish artists Pieter Aertsen and Joachim Beuckelaer.